Welcome to another episode of CanvaConcepts with Jennifer Esther. So we're now on episode 5 and today we're going to talk about boosting your business using brand boards. So this is in response to a message we received from one of our readers here from Sarah, asking how brand boards are made and how is it done. Like, paano nga ba mako-compile to choose the right photos, the right colors, and the right combinations of it all to create your brand. Plus, I have a special event this Tuesday night with Ultramom. So I'm going to talk about the basics of graphic design using Canva, and this is going to be a free event and it's FB Live, so please tune in and like the page of Ultramoms here and also CanvaConcepts here to get updated on the event for Tuesday night 8 p.m. And to no further ado, let's get started! Alright, let's start with the branding board. But first, let me show you what a branding board looks like. So this is my mood or brand board. I made this myself based from my logo. I also did my own logo for CanvaConcepts with Jennifer Esther. And as you can see, I have my own set of colors. So from Sarah's question, how do you choose the right colors, the right fonts, the right photos, and the right elements in building your brand? Well, it will depend on the business itself, or if it's an influencer or a person that you're making a brand, it will depend on the person's taste. But most importantly, it should reflect and attract the target audience of that business. For me, I preferred it to look more feminine and friendly, where I would use my favorite colors and at the same time show my creativity in it. So let me just walk you through the different parts of the brand board or mood board for other terms. So I have here at the very top, you can see my logo, my main logo, and some elements here and there on the side. So you can see what kind of vibe that I'm going with this. It's more of florals and sketches and outside of the line color, so it's kind of like breaking the rules and all. And when we go down further to the mood board, you would see my color palettes. You would hear me say that brand colors should have at least 3 to a maximum of 5 main brand colors. But for me, I broke that rule because I also have a second set of color palettes, which is the ones here. My main brand colors are more full in terms of their color tones, while the second color palettes are more on the whitish side. I usually just use this for accents and backgrounds. It's similar to the one that I have, and you can see my 3 main colors here are this blue-green, this orange to pink color, and this pastel yellow. And on the side is the light blue, and here is a light grayish blue. And that's the main concept of my colors. And when we go down further, brand board also includes your inspiration or pictures from where you got the inspiration for your designs. For me, it was this main logo that I found on Pinterest, which is a great resource for getting inspiration, and the signs. This logo with the Sahara and the offset blob of a brown and then the letter S. I was inspired by this. I really like the concept that it broke the rule. I like that. Breaking the rules of coloring within the lines, but it still looks pretty and it still looks good. Minimalist. The next one is this picture that has the the colors that I wanted, which is really vibrant and pastel-like, with the orange, peach, like salmon, and then the blue-green, and the light blue. And then lastly, my last inspiration is the Rebecca P. Creative logo. This is from a photographer and also creative, I think in the US. She's in the US. And then I saw her logo with this wavy effect on the letters, and I really like that, and I incorporated it in my logo and also most of my designs. And so when we go down further, you'll see here the alternative logos that I have for CanvaConcepts, which you can also incorporate in your own brand board. I have alternative logos for different reasons. One, the main logo that I have, the circle one, is good for big and wide space designs or graphics, while as these alternative logos are meant for smaller size and smaller spaces where I need to put my brand. So if you've already visited my Facebook page right here, you can see that I use this first alternative logo with the wavy letters. I usually use that especially on my proposals and the files that I send to my clients as well. Also, even in my emails, I use that as a signature. And on the second alternative logo, I use it mainly for my end credit videos. If you've seen the end of all of my vlogs so far, I use that. And also, this CC here, this letters here, I use that as also a mark, like a logo mark, like a word mark for my channel, and also for some graphics that really doesn't have that much space as well. So it's good to have alternative logos. And now, going further, actually this is the last part of the brand board, is the fonts or font types or typeface. For my fonts, my concept is a structure of bold, thick fonts for my headings, as you can see here. At the same time, it will have the outline. And then for the decorative text, usually use this for my signatures and headings as well. It's the like handwritten type of font, which I really like. It's quite feminine. And then lastly, for my body text, is the simple modern font type. And then as you can see, I've then put here the elements that I've been using that I've found inside Canva, which are florals, leaves, some constellations, and the moon, which are all outlined and sketched. And then the backgrounds are different shapes with my second color palette. There. That's usually what you have in a brand board. Now, how will you use this to boost your business and brand is by first following and using all of your ideas from the brand board consistently in all of your graphics, page, websites, and even in your emails. Continue to use that consistently so that your target market or anyone who will see your business will have a recognition of who your brand is or what your brand looks like visually. And then second part, how to use this brand board is if you have or if you outsource your design works, or if you hire artist, designer to create your public materials, or like say your graphics again in the page, on your Facebook page or even Instagram, you can just give this brand board to your designer so that it'll be easy for them to incorporate and align what they are designing to your brand using all of these fonts. And lastly, the third thing is with this brand board, you will have a bigger or wider concept of how your brand identity will look like to your audience. Like if I zoom it out, I will be able to see how it really looks like with all of it in one page. So if you want to create your own brand board, I will link here above a Canva template to create your own brand board and just fill out all the details inside of it and then use it for your own purpose or even for your clients. So that you can have and create your own mood board for your own business so that it will help you and your clients boost your brand. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye!